Hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to fix TikTok messages not sending. So first, you just have to open your TikTok application and make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. Now, one of the reasons why you cannot send a message to a specific person is because this person is not your friend yet. Let's just say you are about to send a message to someone who's not your friend. So this thing will happen. As you can see, not sent. So this thing will happen if that person or user is not your friend here on TikTok. So another method to solve this problem is to simply clear your cache. So to do that, you just have to tap these three lines at the top right corner, go to settings and privacy, and then click free up space. Now you have to click clear cache, wait for a couple of seconds, and then tap clear. Okay. Now, if after doing this method still you cannot send a message to someone or a friend here on TikTok, the next thing to do is to simply go to your phone settings and look for Force Stop if you're using Android. So you just have to go to App Management, click App List, and look for TikTok application. If you're using iPhone, then look for that application and then click Offload. This time, I have to look for TikTok and then click this Force Stop. Why? By removing temporary files from the application pool, and forcing it to regenerate them. This can help fix misbehaving application by giving the app a kind of fresh start. Since the mistake occurred during the processing of a temporary or cached file, this can frequently resolve the issue. Now, after doing this, you can enable this application again, or you can uninstall and then install TikTok again. Then once done, you have to log in your account and then try to send a message to someone and see if it fixed the issue. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.